Hi, this is Pam. I'm teaching internet research skills and I wanted to talk about finding journal articles. So if you have a topic and want to make sure you're finding more academic information, you need to find peer-reviewed journal articles. And this video will show you how to do that. I'm not going to talk about specifically what peer-reviewed journal articles are. I will post other information on that. This is simply showing you how to do a search for this type of information. So we're going to start at the main SCC homepage just to get people used to that. And it's the easiest way to get in because everybody in this class should know where that is. So the address is right there. Once you're at the SCC homepage, you're going to click the link for library on the left side of the screen. You also can start at the library homepage, so you can certainly bookmark this, and you may want to do that for this class. Once you're on the library homepage to do what you need to do here, which is to find journal articles, you're going to click on databases. So this takes you to the research databases page. And notice I'm doing this at home, so I'm getting off-campus access. If I'm on campus, that will say on-campus access. And if you try to access these databases from home, you will need to log in with your W number and your eServices password. So keep that in mind and make sure you know how to do that as well. So these are the categories. So if I click on any of these, it will take me into the list at that point. So if I click on newspapers, it's going to pop me into the list of where the databases deal with newspapers, the newspaper databases. Let's go back to the top. The one that I tend to use for almost any topic is the general section. So you can either click on the category to pop you down, or if you're just doing general, I just tend to scroll down because it's right near the top. So the database that I'm going to show you guys today is Academic Search Premier. It's my default database, meaning it's the one that I use almost for anything. And I tend to start here, and then if it doesn't work, I may try other things, but that's usually my place to find information if I want magazine or journal articles. So I'm going to click on that. And I've already logged in, but if you were doing it for the first time from off campus, then you would need to log in with your W number. So you want to keep your search really simple, and I do want to emphasize that you can do a popular topic. So you can do something more academic, or you can do a popular topic. I'm going to do Star Wars. And notice I put it in quotes. That's just to look for it as a phrase. If I don't put the quotes around it, it will look for those words separately. So they may, you're going to pull up different information if you do that. And we'll talk about that later in class. So I've typed that in, and I'm going to click search. So I haven't done anything to my search here. This is the basic one. So, and this is all sorts of different types of sources. So academic journals, magazines, newspapers, books. I want to change that, so I'm only pulling up peer-reviewed information. So I'm going to use the refine your results options here. First thing I'm going to choose is full text. That just means that I'm going to pull up articles where the whole text of the article will be in the database. And usually you find enough stuff so that you want to start with that. And I know I've got 4,000 hits, so I'm not worried about not finding enough information. The big one here is scholarly peer-reviewed journals, so I'm going to set that limit, and it's going to pull that information out for me. And then the last thing I want to do is change the date on this to, I'm going to limit it to 1980 to the present as an easy way to do that. And I don't want to limit it to too recent with Star Wars because it's old enough that people may have been doing research with it from the very beginning. Click Update. And here we go, we're down to 155 results, and these should all be journal articles. So, and some of the, you can see the first one is actually in Spanish, but then I'm pulling articles about Star Wars from peer-reviewed publication. So some of these look pretty entertaining. It's ranging from everything. So we've got popular culture, politics, looks like film criticism, all sorts of stuff. So these are all journal articles about Star Wars. Let's just do Buffy as another example.